Hello everyone. Today I'll guide you through the simple process of selling online coaching using Payhip in 2024. Let's get started. To begin, head over to payhip.com by using the link in the description and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Product section. Here, you'll want to create a new product. Click on the New Product button and select Digital Product as your product type. Now it's time to upload your coaching content. This could be in the form of documents, videos, audio files, or any other digital format. Simply upload these files by clicking the Upload button and selecting the files from your computer. Once your files are uploaded, you can give your product a name, such as Online Coaching Video Series, and set the price for your coaching package. If you have additional materials or resources to accompany your coaching content, you can upload those as well. For example, you might include PDF guides, worksheets, or bonus materials to enhance the coaching experience for your customers. Once everything is set up, click Add Product to make your coaching package available for purchase on your Payhip store. Now, when customers visit your store, they'll be able to browse your coaching offerings, make a purchase, and access their coaching content immediately after payment. And that's it. Selling online coaching through Payhip is a straightforward process that allows you to reach a wide audience with your expertise. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and don't forget to click the link in the description to try Payhip for free.